Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video. As always, when I'm doing stuff, I always figure I'll bring you guys along with me. I have some eggs inside of the refrigerator, and I want to make sure just in case if we're here for longer, I'm going to go ahead and freeze some of the eggs. So I'm going to do them in batches of, I have 8 eggs in there, and I'm going to go ahead and bag it up. Right now I have it inside of my Vitamix. You don't have to have a Vitamix. You can just put it in a bowl and just kind of use a whisk and blend it on up. But I'll be back. I'm going to go on ahead and blend this up. And I'm not going to do it for long at all. I just want to mix it. So I'm going to put on setting 1, let it go for like maybe 5-8 seconds or so. And then I'm going to pour it inside of the bag. Alright, so I went ahead and blended up. You can use a regular Ziploc bag. I went ahead and used some of my, what are they called? Food saver bags. So I went ahead and did that. Yeah, and I'm going to lay it flat inside of the refrigerator, and I'm going to freeze it. And then when I want to use it, the way I'm going to do it, you can definitely do it the way you want to, but I used 8 eggs. So basically, half that, you know, so basically 8 pieces. I can break it off and use what I want, and then I'll just reseal it. So this is what I'm planning on doing, and I'm going to go ahead and pop it inside the freezer. So just in case, I can have some frozen. I can easily use those for baking. And then you probably could even make an omelet out of them, but I may just use it for baking. But push comes to shove, I can use it to make omelets as well. I think it'll turn out okay. So anyway, just bringing you guys along. So anyway, these are just ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.